I'll be showing you how to make pizza sauce today. Pizza sauce is basically made with tomato and very few common ingredients. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you're just joining us for the first time, I don't mind you subscribing to this channel. Meanwhile, let me show you how to make your own pizza sauce at home. Okay, for the pizza sauce, I'm going to be using 5 fresh tomatoes. I'm going to start by blending the tomatoes, so I'm going to be cutting this into the blender. This will make it easy to blend. Let's blend this into a smooth puree. I'm going to also chop the onions. I'm also going to mince the garlic. You can include some fresh herbs. I'm using oregano. Now to make the pizza sauce, I'm going to add some cooking oil to the pan. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add in the minced garlic. I will also add in the chopped onion. Let's stir fry this on low heat. After 15 seconds, I'm going to add in the tomato puree. Next, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir this properly. Once this has come to a simmering, I'm going to add in chili pepper, salt, half a teaspoon oregano. I'm just going to stir everything and make sure it combines. I'm going to season this with baking powder to neutralize the acidic taste of the tomatoes. You can season this with half stock cube if you really like a spicy sauce, but that's totally optional. I'll leave this to cook for 5 minutes. Once this has started to thicken up, I'm going to bring down the heat. I'm just going to reduce the heat. Let this cook for 15 more minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll be adding in the fresh oregano. Let this cook for 3 minutes more. Okay. I'm going to turn off the heat. Your pizza sauce is ready. You now have your pizza sauce. You can start making your pizza right away from home. Thank you guys for watching. This was how to make pizza sauce. I hope you loved this video. Please remember to share, like, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.